Hey guys, welcome back to LP Cuber. Today I'm going to attempt to solve both the 2x2 and the 3x3 while looking in the mirror and not actually right up to it. Okay, so let's get in. Okay, now first up, we just explain some things. Like first up, as I mix this up, I'm going to be explaining things. One of the first things we need to know about is to stop me from looking at it just directly like you normally would. I'm putting it under this stool, so even if I look down, I can't see it. And so the only way for me to see it is by looking in the mirror or the camera, but the mirror image is bigger, so I'm gonna be looking at that more. Also, I have to try and solve it. This is why you don't bump your camera. It's hard to fix it. I'm going to try and get it in 2 minutes. And once the timer rings, I'm just gonna stop and we'll see how much I do. And then we'll go to the next one. I'm doing a 2x2 Rubik's Cube as sort of a warm-up. When this video is over, I think you guys should go and see if you can solve it while looking in the mirror, and then in the comments, write down what sort of success you had. Alright, so I think that's mixed up enough. 3, 2, 1. Hold on. Can you guys actually even see this? The only way for you to see it is if I put it like here. But I'm not gonna hold it there the whole time, so you're just gonna have to trust me. Okay? Just a quick look at it. Even though this is probably irrelevant, like look, the way I would usually spin the top, and it's all backwards. Like it's weird. Like you can see here, I spin, you just go clockwise, but in the mirror it's counterclockwise, and that is just gonna mess with me so much. Okay, so not really sure what all I can do to prepare. Let's go. I'm already kind of regretting this. Okay, I can't even. Okay. Let's see if we can get. This is the piece we're trying to connect stuff to. Let's get this piece. And if we okay, we got that. And we have 42 seconds. Wow, this is amazing. Okay, okay, there's that one. I just need this piece. Okay. This is messing with me so much right now. Okay. This is gonna, wow. Now, wasn't that epic? Okay. 3 pieces. Guess we just go to the 3x3 now. Let's just start mixing that up. I'm wanting to do bunch of just random Rubik's Cubes challenges. One of the things I have planned is to try and solve a Rubik's Cube while hanging upside down. I would like to hear some of your guys' ideas. It's basically just any stupid challenge you can think of. If it sounds reasonable, I'll try to do it. If it doesn't sound reasonable, I'll probably end up doing it anyways. So, yeah. Alright. That looks thoroughly mixed up. Let's just do that really quick. Okay, now, I don't think looking at this helped me at all. So, I'm just gonna get the white side in the mirror. Okay. And let's just go for it. That was fortunate. Okay, I think maybe the experience with the 2x2 is gonna help me out here, as I already got these 3 pieces. Okay. See, that goes to the orange and green, so it goes right in here. "30 seconds left." I didn't actually think this would be so difficult. Where'd that go? Okay. So, I did a little bit better. I got 4 pieces. Got the cross and a single corner piece. 2x2, I got these 3 corner pieces. I must say I did not make it in the time frame. I thought I might be able to get this one, but no, it's just so trippy. Alright, I want you guys to try this out to see if I'm just bad. But I suspect I'm not, and the mirrors are just evil. I guess the moral of this video is don't use mirrors, they're bad. And let's see how you guys do, because I didn't do too well. Let's see if you can get more solved. Alright? Well, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you didn't enjoy it, leave a like. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you do, and I'll see you next week. See ya.